We will see today how to start a Google meeting from Gmail. The Gmail has added this new feature in which you can start a meeting from the Gmail itself, or you can join the meeting from the Gmail itself. So what I will do is that I will first start a meeting. So I have entered into meeting ready room where what I will do is that I will click the join now button. So from that I will go into the actual meeting room. So I have entered into the meeting room. So what the case is that I have to copy, so that information got lost, but I have to copy that joining information. So I will come into meeting details and you can see here that joining information. So I have to copy this particular code and I have to give it to the participants. I can give the whole link also. So but the join with the code, I have to give this particular code. And but actually the meeting starting whatever is done, that is done like this. So the main organizer has entered into the meeting room. So that is a step. Now I will show if the participant is there how it will join the meeting. So to join a meeting as a participant, what would I do is that I log in through a different account and click here on join meeting, and here get a meeting code. So the code I will paste here, and what I will say that I will say as a join. So you are on the ready to join now screen, and see here the meeting is organized by Tech to Home. So he is there, he is in the call, and you have to click the join now button, and the Tech to Home organizer will allow you or admit you, and then you will be in the meeting. So this is the way in which you go into the meeting. So this is a way in which you can start a meeting and join a meeting in Google Meet. And if you want to get the detailed information about how to use a Google Meet, then I have made a separate video. So the link of which is given in the description of this video below. So this is a new feature and that's why we went through it. And please subscribe to my channel Tech to Home. And thanks for watching and have a nice day.